Hello there everyone, my name is Pralo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm still a bit sick, but I'm still a bit better than yesterday. And in yesterday's video I told you that I actually have taken my huge $115,000 profit on Bitcoin. And I told you that I'm going to be looking forward to the actual CPI reading. And yes, as this title reads very correctly, we've made $10 million. But let me explain exactly what this means and how. And we're going to do it actually together. So first things first, I really wanted to see as to what is going to happen with the CPI. And CPI came in, the forecast was 5.2, it came in at 5.0. And this means that the inflation is actually dropping faster than the market has anticipated. This is the biggest drop in inflation so far, in headline inflation. So from 6% all the way down to 5%. So one full percentage drop, which is just absolutely huge. Certainly, if we're going to look at the core CPI, which we really care about as well, because this is something that Fed doesn't have any control over, then this is something that actually has increased a little bit and is stagnating because of oil and OPEC actually cutting production, so there can be some tensions there. But when it comes to what Fed has control over, this is dropping really fast, so this is very, very good. And certainly we really want to see what's going to happen tomorrow when it comes to the April 13th for the jobless claims. Now when it comes to the Bitcoin price, we're going to get to it in just a second. See, it is actually pumping. And the thing what I'm thinking to do, because we've taken a really nice profit and like $115,000, and I've sent in extra money to Bybit. So right here I have $300,000, and this is now getting to the point of making 10 million. So let's do it together right now. Let's go to spot trading. Let's go to Bitcoin. And actually, let's go to market, order value, all of it, and buy Bitcoin. Buy. Yes. And I've just bought myself. There we go. Is it? Did actually, am I moving the price now? So, okay, let's go to assets. Let's go to spot. And there we go. I just bought myself 9.84 Bitcoin. I really was hoping that I'm going to buy 10 Bitcoin even. Should have sent in a bit more money. But anyway, so guys, this is how actually I'm going to make $10 million in the next 5 to 10 years. So what you have to understand here is very simple. It's very simple math. And before I tell you, remember, if you want to trade an exchange that you can actually trust, then use my link down in the description of this video to Bybit, and you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. Also, if you're gonna deposit at least $100, you can enter into Rolex giveaway. And we're giving away the last Rolex, but soon we're gonna be doing a crazier giveaway and a crazier watch as well, potentially, or maybe another Rolex. So, but it's coming very soon. Also, all deposit users get access to my crypto signals community for absolutely free, where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. Again, the link to it is down in the description of this video. This is absolutely an incredible community with really incredible trade setups, explanations, details, and actual trade results of our members. There's more than 30,000 traders in here right now. So guys, if you're not taking part in this right here, then I don't know what you're doing in the world of trading. And that's absolutely free. It's for Bybit traders. Once again, so use my link to Bybit, sign up, deposit, and then go to VIP signal section right here. There is a quick instruction of how to join. Make sure to verify your account in Discord through your email or phone number, and you will get in easily. So do it right now. When it comes to the Bitcoin price itself, well, we're gonna see what's going to happen, because again, we are seeing nice push, and again, the CPI is coming out quite good, but to be honest, we're standing at a very important resistance once again. So I cannot emphasize this hard enough, because again, the volume here isn't that magnificent. Again, maybe with this mega positive CPI, something is going to change rapidly. This is, we're going to yet have to see. But for me, what I really care, so even if we're going to get rejected a little bit or down, that's why I bought literally 10 Bitcoin. And in the next 10 years, I believe, I mean, maybe even faster, it's going to reach $1 million per Bitcoin. And so therefore, just these 10 Bitcoin that I've just bought, again, not financial advice, you guys do what you want, they're going to be worth 10 million. So on the Bitcoin, as you might remember, I'm going to link a video up here where I bought Bitcoin back when it was at about, what, $17,000 when the FTX collapse was happening. So right here, I bought 30 Bitcoin. I just bought another 10 Bitcoin at pretty much doubled the price, but who cares when there is such an incredible opportunity for the Bitcoin to reach incredible heights. And we are just at the very, very beginning of the adoption curve of Bitcoin. Just look at the accumulation. Look at this right here. This is the number of addresses with the balance of more than 1 Bitcoin. Look, it's going up. We're seeing incredible adoption that is happening. It's absolutely incredible. And this is the distrust in the banking system, the collapse of the colonial fiat garbage system. That's why me buying Bitcoin at these levels, despite if it's going to go down short-term volatility, who cares? This is the opportunity, guys, to create generational wealth. I'm way more than, at this point, few $1 million in Bitcoin, because remember, I bought $500,000 worth of Bitcoin here. Right now, it's actually worth pretty much $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Plus, I just bought $300,000 worth of Bitcoin, and previously, I was buying Bitcoin before. So actually, my Bitcoin holding alone is in millions of dollars. So, and certainly, maybe you call me crazy, but again, number one, never keep all of it in crypto. Just half of my net worth is always outside of crypto, and I also have Ethereum, a bunch of other altcoins, so I diversify for sure. So never keep everything in one place. But this, guys, in my opinion, we're standing at an incredible time, something that we're going to look back later on. We're going to be in logarithmic chart. And we're going to be looking back when we're going to be standing somewhere up here. We're going to be looking back at this price, and most of you probably, unfortunately, will be saying like, damn it, why didn't Thomas Crollo come to my apartment and force me to buy Bitcoin? Again, not financial advice. I don't want to force you I don't want to force you to do something you don't want to be doing. So you have to evaluate your own abilities. But for me, right now, this is just an absolutely incredible time. So now let's quickly talk about what is going to be the opportunity for the price if we actually end up closing above. And if it doesn't, then again, we have very important support of 27,500, 28,700. So guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm going to keep you guys updated. Join my free Discord channel, link down in the description of this video. But if we're going to be breaking 30K on this positive CPI news, then our target right now, let's take a look. I think the next, because 30K has been historically so important for us, then the next one I believe is going to be 34,200, and we can actually mark it just technically, because these technical levels are incredibly important. And also remember, if you want to join my 3-day VIP masterclass in Dubai, which is happening at the end of April for 3 days, only limited to 21 seats, then there is actually a link there's only a couple of seats left. I'm going to be closing the sale of these seats very soon, so join it right now. There is a link down in the description of this video. It's going to be a really fun 3 days with 20 people with high net worth. We're going to be talking about trading, investing, also about company formations, mindset, spirituality, etc. So if we do clear this level of 30K right now on this positive CPI, which again, the volume isn't suggesting this, unfortunately, at this time. We just have to read the chart for what it is. But if it does, then our next target is actually 34,600. So this order block that is coming up on the way as well. So this is what I'm expecting, and I was thinking to maybe put in a long trade, a leveraged one, but then I thought, as a great example as to how to make $10 million, and here it is. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And myself, I'm going back to being sick, back to bed, because I'm still quite sick. As always, peace and love. Thomas Crollo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.